coming regularly to school, leaving their schedules to be a part of this show. Some of them have come on stage for the first time, sharing their inhibitions. So, dear audience, give them a huge round of applause. They really deserve it.
I would also like to mention that this song was from Malaya Maruta, but if you have noticed that Rekha and Pramod sir have infused Yendaru Mahanubavu also into it. It was difficult, but they did it so beautifully. Another huge round of applause to them. According to the Bible, when God created earth and its life forms in 7 days, on the first day He said, "Let there be light," and there was light. This shows how important light is to us for survival. Light dispels darkness, brings in clarity of thought. Light banishes hatred, brings in peace and love. Light banishes evil and brings in godliness.
May I now request our beloved Sri Sri Prakashnath Swamiji and Sri Sri Shailendranath Swamiji to bring in the light. May I also request our Principal Sri S.A. Nair, Vice Principal Srimati Shrikala G. Kumar, and the judges Srimati Aparna Narendra, Srimati P.R. Meera, and Srimati Bindu Mani to join in dispelling darkness. Thank you, Swamiji, for bringing in light. May I now request Ms. Rekha, the HOD of the Music Department, to present her report.
Nadamaya, Lokavella, there is a music everywhere. Music in the child laughter, the ringing of the wind chimes and beating of the heart. Music in various forms have been passed down for ages. Be it a simple beating of the dream or a complicated symphony, the music may be classical or western, but each has its own following. Music helps us to relax and heal. That is the power of music. Tansen brought rain by singing Raga Megamalhar. That is the power of music. We too are various NPS wanted to inculcate the ear for music in our children, and thus Music Mania was conceived in 2010. Today, we are here to witness the grand finale of Music Mania Season 3. Music Mania 1 and 2 seasons were for the senior children. So we decided to create a platform for our juniors also to bring out their talent in music. And believe me, it was tough, but when the tough gets going, the tough gets going. Meeting the challenges ahead of the divine blessings of our Pujya Swamiji and our MD Sri Sri Prakashnath Swamiji, Sri Sri Shailendranath Swamiji, and the encouragement of our beloved Principal Sir and Vice Principal, I go to all the Gurus and seek the blessings of Sri 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 Nirmalananda Swamiji to help us in all endeavors. Now, may I request our Principal Sir to honor him with a shawl and a bouquet. Thank you, sir. We also have Shri Shri Shailendranath Swamiji to bless us. May I request our beloved MD to welcome him. Our principal, Shri S.A. Nair, has been with us, guiding us and leading us. I welcome you. I also welcome our beloved VP ma'am, parents and teachers. We have completed the finals for the instrumentals, Magic Fingers and Master Fingers this morning, and the results will be announced at the end of the program. We will now have the finals for the vocal rounds, Little Champs and the DJ Silo. It's my pleasure to welcome and introduce the judges of the day, Srimati Aparna Narendra, Srimati B.S. Meera and Srimati Bindu Malini. Srimati Aparna Narendra was trained in Carnatic classical vocal music from the age of 9 under Vidushi Srimati Vasumati Raghunath and Vidwan P. Sundaresan. And as a famous saying goes, learning is a lifelong process. She is still training under Karnataka Kalashi Galakala Bhushana Vidwan Sri R.K. Padmanabha. She is also trained in light music under Srimati M.K. Jayashree and Sri Upasana Mohan. She worked as a software engineer, but found her calling is music. But knowledge is not shared, becomes stagnant, and thus Madhurya, her music institution, was born, where students are trained in Carnatic music, Bhavagite, etc. She has given many performances in Bangalore. To mention a few, Editumbi Hadvenu with SPB, the Indian Institute of World Culture. Now, may I kindly request our Swamiji to felicitate and honor this great artist. Thank you, Swamiji. We also have with us Srimati B.S. Meera, who is a music teacher in AV Education Society. Having trained in Carnatic classical music, she has her own school, Alapana, which takes music to the common folk. She has also judged in the famous music shows Editumbi Haduvenu, a regular singer at Upasana School of Music. She has also sung in Hampi Utsava. Ma'am, it's my pleasure to have with yours. I request our Swamiji to felicitate. Thank you, Swamiji. The third judge for today's competition is none other than Mrs. Bindu Malini Narayana Swami. She is a singer trained in Carnatic classical, Hindustani classical, and also graphic designer from NIT. Bindu Malini Narayana Swami is an independent musician, designer, and a former Bharatanatyam performer. Bindu holds 2 graduation degrees, one in History of Fine Arts and Drawing and Painting, and one in Carnatic Music from the Madras University. She is a gold medalist from Loyola College, Chennai, with Masters in Visual Communication. She worked as the in-house designer for Satyam Multiplex, Chennai and Maternity. She has also illustrated a couple of books of Chilika and produced a game board for young children on counting for ceasing workshop India. Bindu hails from a family of musicians, where her grandmother is Kalaimamani Sita Dore Swami, a Jaladaran artist. In 2011, Bindu headed a British Council Connecting Classrooms project called International Voices as a run-up for the 2012 London Olympics, wherein 60 children, including 30 children from the School of Blind, worked together to put up a grand musical show. We welcome you, ma'am. Let me take through a quick journey of the Music Mania Season 3. The auditions for the vocal round were held on 9th June 2012 at a total of 128 students participated, of which 30 students were selected, 15 for sub-juniors and 15 for juniors. The first round was held on 30th June and the criteria was to sing a film song of their choice. The second round was held on 28th July and the children had to sing a non-filmy semi-classical song. The semi-finals was held on 10th November. It was a karaoke round. The sub-juniors had to sing a song from 1990s to 1999 and the juniors had to sing a karaoke number from 1980s to 1989. 5 students from each category have been selected for the finale, and today we are gathered to present the grand finale of the Music Mania. In the instrumental section, we had 68 students participating at the audition. that were held on 23rd June 2001. The first round was held on 14 July, where children had to play a film song with the beat and accompaniment. 30 keyboard instrumentalists and 4 wave instrument players were selected. The semi-finals was held on 11th August, where the judges asked the children to change the scale and play. All the 13 keyboard players and the 4 wave instrumental players were selected to play in the finals. Today, we are here for the final of the Music Mania 3. So wishing the very best to the contestants, let us commence today's program. Thank you.
Thank you, Rekha, for that wonderful report of yours. Birthday celebrations bring joy to everyone around us. We celebrate birthday to show the person how much we love him or her. In our Indian tradition, our birthdays are celebrated with a good body bath, new clothes and preparation of payasam. The Western culture brought in cake cutting. The significance of cake cutting is to share one's joy and happiness. So, to show that we love and care and pray for his good health and happiness, ladies and gentlemen, we have the celebration of our Swamiji, Sri Sri Prakashananda Swamiji. A good round of applause for him.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭ ಕೋರಲು ನಾವು ಕುಡಿಮಾವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಸಿಹಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರದಿರಲಿ ನೋವು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಹಿಯಾಗಲಿ ಕಹಿಯಾಗಲಿ. ನೀವು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ರಕಾಶನಾಥ, ನೀವು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ರಕಾಶನಾಥ. ಜನ ಮನದಲ್ಲ ಆಗುವಿ ಎಂದೆಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸದಾ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯವೆಂದೆಂದು ನೀವಾಗಬೇಕು ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ. ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೆಂಬ ಮರ, ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೆಂಬ ಮರ, ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವ ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿಯಲು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕರ, ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿಯಲು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕರ. ನೀವೊಬ್ಬ ಕನ್ನಡಕುವರ, ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟವರ. ನೀವೊಬ್ಬ ಕನ್ನಡಕುವರ, ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟವರ. ಇವು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕವಲುಗಳ ಓರ್ವರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Wasn't that wonderful, Suprabha? I love birthday celebrations. Momentarily, we also become children.
Sripali, I think it's now time to start the competitions, and our contestants are very eager to showcase their talents here. I'm sure the judges are all ready here. So, with this, we start the grand finale of the Music Mania Season 3.
We have two categories, the sub-juniors and the junior section. There will be 5 participants in each category. We have 3 rounds. The first round is a specialized round where the children sings the Carnatic song. The second round is a challenging round where the child sings a song which is challenging to his or her ability. The third round is the medley round where children will be singing a part of 3 songs. We will finish the first round of sub-juniors and juniors of one of the same category, and then we will move on to the next category. The first child who will be coming will be Inshara as Faisal in the sub-junior category. She will be singing Dehi Tava Padam. Thank you, Inchara. That was indeed very nice.
Before we call